Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get Alpha Togekiss in Pokémon Legends Arceus. This easy method will guide you through finding and catching this powerful Pokémon efficiently. We'll cover the best location, necessary preparations, and effective battle strategies. Get ready to add a formidable Alpha Togekiss to your team with minimal fuss. Let's dive right into the details. Before you begin your hunt, some preparation is key. Togekiss is a fairy and flying type, so bring Pokémon with electric, ice, or rock-type moves for an advantage. You'll also need plenty of Ultra Balls or Wing Balls for those tricky aerial captures. Make sure your team is well-leveled, ideally around level 60, to handle the Alpha Pokémon's strength. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more Pokémon content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. The easiest way to get an Alpha Togekiss is by evolving an Alpha Togepi. Head to the Cobalt Coastlands and look for massive mass outbreaks. These outbreaks have a chance to feature Togepi. Once you find a Togepi outbreak, save your game immediately. This allows you to reset if an Alpha Togepi doesn't appear, saving your valuable berries. If an Alpha Togepi isn't present in the outbreak, simply restart your game and try again until one spawns. Once you've caught your Alpha Togepi, raise its friendship level to evolve it into Togetic. Finally, use a shiny stone on your Alpha Togetic to evolve it into the magnificent Alpha Togekiss. This ensures you get the powerful Alpha form you desire.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.